on Farm Ideas, and today we're gonna have a look at our Dutch bucket pepper plants. Now, if you're not a subscriber, first and foremost, start out right now. Hit that subscribe button because you'll get all my video updates on these and other plants that I'm growing in an AP system or in my AP system. Along with random videos, I'm going to be doing some stuff on 3D printing. I've already done some videos on 3D printing. If you want to see those videos, check this playlist in the card section. And so yeah, and also in the card section, you can see the last video I did on these, the last update. So you can kind of see the progression about where we were and where we are now. All right, so let's get a little closer here. I gotta stop saying all right, because every time I say all right, we go to the next part of the video and I'm like, all right. Catch me on that, you guys. But here you go. These are the jalapeno plants, okay? These are the Dutch bucket aquaponic jalapenos. And as you can see, they are coming in. So we got flowers galore on these things. It's kind of crazy because they're grown on water. I am seeing this in my potato plants as well. So I think we were having some sort of nutrient deficiency. That's the name of the game, though, when you're doing AP systems. You're just kind of figuring out the nutrients as time goes by. This is one of 3 green bell pepper plants. And as you can see, these are definitely doing really well, okay? We got our other little peppers growing in here. I'm trying to, okay, there we go. There's some hanging down, okay? Got lots of flowers. Leaves are nice and healthy. Little bit of blotching there, a little bit of yellowing, see? That's iron deficiency. So I'm keeping up on it, but it's eating it. Maybe the potatoes that I'm growing in my AP system are eating that iron up, and I gotta up it. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do an iron test. I'm not gonna do it on video though. I've done tests in the past, but I'm gonna do an iron test to see, because I usually top it off every 3 weeks, but maybe it's eating through it really quick, producing potatoes. So that might be, I think that might be the issue. Anyways, oh, these actually smell really good too. Isn't that a cool looking flower? So yeah, bell pepper plant. 3 greens here. You got 1, 2, 3. And then we have this sweet banana pepper. And as you can see, and you know what? This has been my experience with sweet banana peppers as well. They just get tall and then they start producing peppers. So what I'm gonna need to do, in order to get this thing to where it's leaning out and getting enough sun, I'm gonna need to start doing tie-ups now. So I already put screws in there from years past. And so now I just need to kind of put some string to string these up. But as you can see, they are producing peppers. Let's see. Lots of flowers. A little bit of yellowing again with the leaves. See it? Okay. So I think my iron's running out faster because of the potatoes. But yeah, it's a good looking plant. It is linky, but you know what? In my experience with soil too, these plants are linky. So anyways, that's a quick update for you guys. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Obviously, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe, and all you guys hit that bell icon if you want updates on this video and other videos that I'm doing. And leave a comment below, question below. I'm gonna definitely get back to you guys. As you guys comment, I will comment right back. So anyway, God bless you guys, and like always, yep, peace.